Roll installation tutorial. First, let's identify the various parts of the assembly. The blue consumables are B-film, which covers the surface of the crystal label, installed at the discharge position in front of the machine. The white consumable is a film, which is used for printing, installed at the fitting position behind the machine. This component is the front bracket of the machine, used to fix the B-film, installed at the discharge port position. This component is the rear bracket of the machine, used to fix the film, installed at the inlet position. Start the installation tutorial now. First, prepare some M4 8 screws to secure these accessories. Then adjust the machine printing platform to the appropriate position. Ensure the 4 screw holes are exposed under the printer platform. The front and back of the machine need to be exposed. Install the screws that were prepared earlier. Please note to reserve some height for convenient subsequent operations. Now we will install the front bracket of the machine. Push the 4 hole positions forward one by one. Just a little more pushing to ensure the position is at the bottom, and then you can tighten the screws. The same goes for the bracket after installation. After installing the screws, reserve the height, fasten the bracket, and finally tighten it. Be sure to push the bracket all the way forward as well. The front and rear brackets are installed here. Start installing printing consumables now. We need to first remove the roller. Unscrew the screw that fixes the roller. Pay attention to the spring here when removing it. Now let's take off the roller with both hands. Confirm the direction of film, B. This side is facing inward. Just put the consumables on the roller and put them back in their original position. Fix the buckle securely. After installation, pass the B-film through the lower roller. The same goes for the installation of a film in the back. Also pay attention to the spring when removing it. Pay attention to the direction of film A and later add a receiving bucket above it. Pay attention to the spring while tightening the screws. Now we are installing the material receiving device above. Loosen the limiter above. Then install the paper tube again. After installation, thread the A-film through the lower part of the rear roller. Pay attention to the 2 limiters on the roller, and the material must pass through the groove. Now tear off the A-film, and the layer of waste film on top will be fixed on the receiving device. This is the switch that controls the direction of material collection and rolling. Tighten the waste here. The bottom layer of adhesive film is the film we want to print, passing through the printing platform inside the printer. Finally, apply film A onto film B. Gently pull it out from here. Then lock it. Starting to connect the line now, then set some parameters, etc. This is the power cord from the rear bracket connected to the printer interface at the bottom right corner of the machine's rear. There are 2 power cables on the front bracket, and the 2 interfaces are different. Just find the corresponding one and connect it. There is a button in the lower right corner of the machine. Press to switch printing mode from printing plane to printing roll material. Raise the platform height to the highest point and then lower it by 2 to 3 millimeters. Open the machine suction platform to level the material. Set the temperature above the front